I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I wash the vegetables. I wash the veg-a-ta-bles. I cut the onions. I cut the onions. I peel the potatoes. I peel the po-ta-toes. I chop the tomatoes. I chop the to-ma-toes. I heat the pan. I heat the pan. I add oil to the pan. I add oil to the pan. I stir the food slowly. I stir the food slowly. I cook rice in a pot. I cook rice in a pot. I boil water for tea. I boil water for tea. I add salt to the food. I add salt to the food. I add spices carefully. I add spices carefully. I mix everything well. I mix everything well. I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. I cook chicken on low flame. I cook chicken on low flame. I clean the kitchen counter. I clean the kitchen counter. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I dry the plates. I dry the plates. I put the food on the plate. I put the food on the plate. I serve the food hot. I serve the food hot.